Hi, welcome back to the channel. So I've done 400 miles. You've seen me ride up a mountain. You've seen me ride in some rubbish conditions and a long way down some sort of busy roads. So I think it's about time that we had a chat about my motorcycle, my experiences and what I think to the Honda monkey bike. Okay, question one. Is the Honda monkey cycle comfortable? Now, the seat comfort level was obviously hugely important, and I've got to say, it is like sitting on a woolly sheep. It's a big, thick, cushiony seat, so the comfort level is definitely there. I wouldn't say there's any issues with that. It's a well-made, quality-made seat, so my bum is feeling snug. Question two. What's the motorcycle like to handle? How's it handle? Let's find out. The thing is, it's so light, there's nothing to it, so it handles amazingly. We're up to a big bend here. Throttle's currently pinned. I'm going to have to let off for a second to make this bend. Here we go. Look at it go though. It has absolutely no problems. Look, I'm hardly leaning and it's flying around that bend. The handling is sublime. Another interesting one, here we go. That's good. That's good. Let's go again. Perfect. Absolutely perfect handling. Question three. What's it like to live with? Okay, so now I've sort of owned this motorcycle for 400 miles. Would I turn around and say it's like an every single day kind of commuting bike? Now there's a couple of different answers to that, because obviously it depends on the person that you are, but for me, I'd turn around and say I can't see why not. If you're local runs, this bike's just fantastic. It's amazing miles per gallon, it's comfortable, it's smooth, it's a joy to ride. So for those sort of short runs around town or to work and back that, you know, probably 10, 20 miles away, this bike will be perfectly fine. And in the city, it would just shine. I wouldn't turn around and say it's a long distance commuter to work and back, and the only reason why I say that on a preference point of view is that I feel that you need something a little bit bigger and a little bit more sort of power to hold you up at those sort of 60-70 mile an hour speeds. But again, personal preference, it could be if you want it to be. Is the Honda monkey cycle the kind of motorcycle that you're just going to end up staring at constantly because it is just so cool? It's a big question. Can the Honda monkey cycle become an adventure bike? Look where it's took us today. Look at that view. On top of a hill, looking over a spectacular reservoir. How gorgeous is that? The thing is, the Honda monkey cycle has only 9 horses that they've managed to shrink down and squeeze inside this engine to produce the power. Now, I know that's not as big as the 50 brake horsepower motorcycles and stuff like that, but for a little machine like this, it's ample, it's plenty, and it's pretty much all that you need. Now, that 9 horsepower has managed to get me up a mountain. It's managed to get me 180 miles down A roads without any issue at all. It just ticks along without any problems. Now, if we go full throttle like this is what you get. You get plenty of go, and it feels, because it's so small, so quick. I mean, look at it. I've got to back off for the bend here, just in case something's coming. No, it's clear, we can go. I mean, this thing is just an incredible amount of fun, and that's 9 brake horsepower, and it screams along, but it can hold it all day long. Absolutely fantastic. What an amazing machine. So here's a reasonably steep hill. You probably can't see it on the camera, but this is what you'd averagely get in the UK, and it's still accelerating. It's got no problem. Miles are still going up, not an issue at all. So shall we measure the fun factor from 0 to 10? 0 being poo and 10 being the most fun I've had in a long time. Let's try it. Let's go, 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 go! Woo! Yes! Come on, little monkey! Whoa! Woohoo! Yes, little monkey, yes! Can the Honda Monkey Cycle take somebody that's quite chubby, or will it just bottom out? Chubby boy test. Good. Would I change the Honda Monkey bike for a GS 1200 BMW? Not a chance. Not a chance. Would I change it for a sports bike? No, because I don't put my back to hurt, my wrist to hurt, put the air on a monkey bike. Let's find out. Go, 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 go. Here we go. Whoa! Woohoo! So, would you feel embarrassed if you pulled up in a pub? Loads of people there, loads of other motorcycles. Tell you what, you wouldn't be. The one motorcycle they'll be talking about is the Honda Monkey bike. It's a unique, cool little machine. So, what are the brakes like now? People are thinking it's only got small wheels and small discs, so it can't be that good. It's got ABS, but let's try 0 to 30 braking. Whoa! The brakes are right. Braking. Here we go. How's that? That's amazing. Cracking. They work alright. The only problem with this bike is that all you can think about is which next adventure you can do on it, which amazing place you can take it. That's what it does. It makes you want to get out and ride and just do something else amazing on it. It's just. That's his problem. It's an addictive machine. I mean, I think anybody that's struggling should buy one of these because you'll be addicted to it, and the only thing you'll ever think about is riding this motorcycle. I think this is the moment that I've fallen in love with this bike. It's an absolutely incredible. It's just I've not had this much fun in such a long time.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.